Welcome to Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, video and audio. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. In this edition, we're going to be checking out a portable monitor by the folks at InnoView. Here's some of the specs. It's a 15.6-inch 1080p IPS monitor. Includes a very nice stand. Has an incredible contrast ratio and two full-function USB-C and an HDMI port. Here's the model number in case you want to look for it on Amazon or at the InnoView website. Immediately after opening the box, you'll see a gray felt sleeve for the portable monitor. And of course, right on top of it is the user manual, rather modest user manual. You'll have all the information you need right there. Has two sides. Let me show you the sleeve. Again, this should do excellent duty protecting your portable monitor by the folks at InnoView. My wife really liked this sleeve. She liked the material. She thought it was fantastic. And she also liked the monitor too. In fact, she might be keeping it. I got to keep an eye on that monitor. Comes with an 18-inch power USB-C cable. USB on both ends. I quickly removed the plastic from the monitor. Pretty simple work. Felt very sturdy in the hand, very solid. I have other portable monitors, but none of them are as sturdy as this InnoView. Very nice. Along with finding the color gamut to be outstanding, I really like the fact that this has a matte finish and you don't get all that glare. Has an HDMI connection. And two USB-C power ports. Very nice. So you have two ways to connect to devices. On the other side, you have a headphone jack, the menu button, and of course a toggle switch, and the on and off button. Very nice. Here's the stand. You can adjust it different ways. My wife was playing with it. She's going, oh, you can adjust it this way, you can adjust it that way. Very nice. And there's the model number in case you want to look it up. And a close-up of the stand. A very nice, sturdy, compact stand. But what do you think? Do you like this stand? So what's my quick take on this portable monitor by the folks at InnoView? First of all, very sturdy build, excellent stand, good color, and that anti-glare finish is a positive. I really, really like it. If you have a chance, check out my patreon.com JMM Garza page. You can support my channel and also my photography. We do offer memberships at JMM Garza Photography, Video and Audio, earn badges, and gain early access to videos. So here's the sleeve, and I'm going to put the monitor inside the sleeve. It's a pretty simple process. And that's a very sturdy sleeve. Offers excellent protection, and when you stick it in your backpack. I did test the monitor on my Dell XPS desktop. It connected via HDMI and was powered via USB-C. So here's my website, and it looks very nice, and the only problem I had was a little bit of flickering from my overhead fan. It made it look like it was flickering a bit, so I apologize for that. But again, this offered excellent color, excellent depth, has a solid build, and has a multiplicity of ways to connect to a computer, or a tablet, or a phone. If you have the time, check out my website, jmmgarza.com. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. And ring the bell. Yes, ring the bell for future notifications. And please leave your friendly comments and suggestions below. They are always appreciated. This is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza for Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, video and audio. I'm in Fort Worth, Texas. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.